been down this wash a couple times, did some filming in it a while back, and I noticed one place I always stopped, which I'll show you here just in a little bit. I thought it kind of fizzled out and ended, but I think it goes on around the corner, and I think it's wide enough for the Jeep, at least for a ways, I think. So we're gonna go check that out. Right here on the left is where I usually stop, because it just kind of looks like it fizzles out, but I'm gonna go take a little peek and see. I think it goes on around. New territory here. Probably end up not going far, but we shall see. Yeah, let's see what we got around this corner up here. Take a peek around this corner. Okay, let's see what's around this corner here. I think definitely get by this tree here. Now, yeah, that's about it there, especially being alone. That's pretty. Pretty, that little water running down through there. Pretty. I came quite a bit farther than I've ever been before. supposedly there's a Prescott Granite Mountain firefighters, the oh god, what do you call those guys? The hot shoes or whatever, memorial up here. So I've never actually gone up to see it. Most people park way far out of here and walk up and look at this thing, but see if we can get up here with the old LittleWierdJeep. It's this tree straight ahead here now, I think. I don't see anything around here though. The road's fenced off ahead. Maybe we'll go up and read them signs up there. Maybe there's no actual plaque or anything. Maybe it's just this tree. I don't know if this tree's it or not. I would have expected there'd be a plaque or something up here. So let's just take a little jaunt up here to this gate, see what it says there. Maybe it's something beyond that gate and you have to walk to it. We'll find out. This road used to be open. That gate about 2 years ago wasn't there. My brother, well, you could still walk in there and go hunting, but we drove in there with the LittleWierd truck and did some hunting off a hilltop back in there. Let's see what this stuff says. Okay, sign here. Can't even tell if I got it in the camera. Upple Trail Pasture Trail number 38, Junction White Rock Springs Trail 39. Each of those are 1 mile, and Little Granite Mountain Trail number 37, 2 miles. And over here on this sign, yep, it's only past this point, it's only hikers, horses, and mountain bikes. Nothing else. Apparently it was a burn area back in there a while back too. Hence the gate to keep the big vehicles out. Oh well. Let's look around a little bit, see if we see any hotshot memorial thing. I mean, that seems to be the tree where the LittleWierdJeep is, because it's a little road around the tree, like that's where everybody goes. Of course, like I said, most people end up walking up here. Not everybody has a LittleWierdJeep, you know. And then I think for another day, I think this trail here goes on back in there, if I remember right, from a long time ago. Looks like there's a little road here. Now, whether they got it fenced off back in here, I don't know, but I think next time out, we might as well head down there and see what's going on down there. See it wind through and go up between there. Okay, I guess we'll head out. Let's mosey on down the hill. We a moseying. Tell you, that road that they had that fence across back there is a nice road going back in there. Man, is it cool. I can't believe they've shut it down for 4x traffic. Hold on. This creek down here that we're going to go through, the one that I just followed a little earlier, off up to the left, and finally pinched down and ended. Let's go over here. By this water tank, there's a couple trees, and there's one that's burnt. Maybe that one that's burnt. It's a memorial tree, but from what I hear, they saved the tree. I don't know. No, there's no markers or signs or anything. Water tank in there for cows. So, let's go up here before we head up and out. Let's go over here and let this old man take a leak. You know what I mean? Wow! Take a leak, get a drink, head up, out, and on homeward. There's people roaming around out here looking for that memorial, but just saw one lady at the very entrance getting out of her car, getting ready to hike down. I don't know if she's even made it down here yet. That looks like a good tree to take a leak. Get in there,